Hello everybody, so today's first question is who will Novak Djokovic face in the semi-finals of the French Open? And the options are option A Alexander Zverev, option B Stefanos Tsitsipas, option C Rafael Nadal, option D Roger Federer. And the right answer is option C, that is Rafael Nadal. Let's check the explanation. World number 1 Novak Djokovic will face off against the defending champion Rafael Nadal in the semi-final of men's single in ongoing French Open on June 11, 2021. This will be the 58th time when Djokovic and Nadal lock horns, and it will be their 9th face-off in Paris. So guys, our next question is which state's cabinet has approved the setting up of the COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing unit? And the options are option A Delhi, option B Kerala, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D Tamil Nadu, and the right option is Kerala. So let's check the explanation. The Kerala cabinet has given a go-ahead for the setting up of a COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing unit at the Life Science Park at Thonakkal, Thiruvananthapuram. IS officer S. Chitra has been appointed as the director of the vaccine manufacturing project. So let's move on to our next question. Which city was declared as the most livable city in the world in the 2021 EIU Global Livability Ranking? And the options are option A Auckland, option B Tokyo, option C Washington, option D Adelaide. So guys, the right answer is option A, that means Auckland. Let's see the explanation. Auckland was declared as the most livable city in the world on the 2021 edition of the Economist Intelligence Unit's EIU Annual Global Livability Ranking. Adequate measures by New Zealand at containing the COVID-19 pandemic allowed its cities like Auckland and Wellington to reopen and enjoy a lifestyle similar to the pre-pandemic life. So let's move on to our next question. Ace filmmaker and poet Buddhadev Dasgupta passed away on the 10th June. He had directed which among the following Hindi films? And the options are option A Kala Kandi, option B Blackmail, option C Brijmohan Amar Rahe, option D Anwar Ka Ajab Kissa. So the right answer is option D. Let's see the explanation. Legendary filmmaker and poet Buddhadev Dasgupta passed away early in the morning on June 10, 2021. He was 77. He was suffering from kidney-related ailments. He had won the National Award 5 times. One of his famous Hindi feature films was Anwar Ka Ajab Kissa, a Hindi dark comedy that released in 2013, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui in the title role, followed by Ananya Chatterjee and Pankaj Tripathi. So guys, let's move on to our next question. When is the World Day Against Child Labor? And the options are option A 12th June, option B 13th June, option C 14th June, and option D 15th June. So friends, the right answer is option A, that is 12th June. Let's see the explanation. World Day Against Child Labor is observed every year on 12th June. 1 in almost 10 children across the world is in child labor. Though the number of children in child labor has declined by 94 million since 2000, the rate of reduction has slowed by 2/3 of the recent years. Our next question is, what is the duration of the term of the United Nations Secretary General? And the options are option A 5 years, option B 6 years, option C 4 years, or option D 3 years. So friends, the right option is option A, that is 5 years. Let's move on to the explanation. Antonio Guterres took over as the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations on 1st January 2017 for a term of 5 years. The UN Secretary Council voted on 8th June 2021 to grant him a second 5-year term in the office. So let's move on to our next question. Which nation's railway is working to become the world's largest green railway network? And the options are option A Russia, option B Canada, option C our nation country India, and option D UK, means United Kingdom. So the right answer is option C, that is India. So let's check the explanations. Indian Railways is moving towards becoming the world's largest green railway network by setting an ambitious goal of achieving net zero carbon emission by 2030. The pledge comes at a crucial time when the world is facing the global issue of environmental degradation and climate change. So friends, let's move on to the next question. Which nation has become the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender? And the options are: option A, Venezuela, option B, El Salvador, option C, Guatemala, and option D, Honduras. So the right answer is option B, El Salvador. So let's check the explanation. El Salvador on 9th June 2021 became the first country in the world to grant legal tender status to Bitcoin. The El Salvador Congress approved the bill to make Bitcoin a legal tender in the country. Bitcoin is world's largest cryptocurrency. So friends, this is all for today. Let's meet again in our next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay safe, stay at home.